friends, today we are going to unbox CuteCafe toys.
Okay, you're going to unbox CuteCafe toys today?
Yes,
Okay, let's see.
here we go. It's a bag.
Oh, you have your CuteCafe toy in this bag?
Yeah.
Okay, let's unbox it.
This is my CuteCafe toy.
Okay, let's have a look at it. Okay, Adit, what do you see on the box? Can you read it?
Batter up.
Batter up? Okay.
Batter up.
Okay, and what is the name of the toy?
Cute
CuteCafe.
CuteCafe.
Okay, let's see what all are included in the pack. This is the CuteCafe toy. This is how it looks like. It says it's a mini clay world. So you can create a mini clay world. There are 25 clay treats provided to make and bake. So you can make your own bakery items with the clay treats provided. The pack also includes custom waffle maker and a spatula like this. Okay, let's see how the other side of the box looks like. Aditi, can you help me in flipping the box?
Okay.
Okay, this is what it looks like. It says batter up. So you can serve tiny clay waffles. So what do you get in this pack? So you get oven baked clay, waffle maker, a spatula, clear plastic to help with making the baking goods, and you have an instruction booklet, a baker's twine, and some paper crafts, and some metallic eyes to make shapes like this, beautiful shapes like this. There are total 20 projects included in this. You can make donuts, macarons, frappies, croissants, avocado toast, cafe kitties, and much more. Okay, this is what the pack contains: a 32-page book of instructions and inspiration, 6 sheets of paper crafts, and some oven baked clay in 7 different colors, 4 metallic eyes, waffle mold, spatula, clear plastic, and a baker's twine. Okay, now that we saw what is included in the pack, shall we open the pack?
Yes.
Do you want to unbox that, Adit?
Yes.
Okay, let's unbox it. Adit, can you open it for me?
Yeah. This is the activity and the book.
Oh, it has an activity and a book. Okay.
This is a
Okay. What are the other things that are included? What is that? It's a twine. It's a baker's twine.
Oh, card is clear. I see something else in this bag.
Oh, you see something else in that bag?
Yes.
Okay, can you hand it over to me? Oh, that's a small waffle maker and a spatula. I see a waffle maker and a spatula included in this pack along with the twine. Okay. What else do you see in the pack?
Purple clay,
Okay. Purple clay,
blue clay,
blue clay,
pink clay,
pink clay,
green clay,
green clay,
brown clay,
brown clay,
orange clay,
orange clay,
orange peach clay,
orange peach clay. Okay.
orange peach clay, white clay.
Oh, it's a white clay. So total how many clays are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Okay. Do you see anything else in the pack or everything is finished?
Everything is finished.
Oh, it's finished? Okay, let's see everything at one go. Here you go.
Here you go.
These are the items that are included in the pack. Let's see each of them. This is the cute cafe that we have been talking about. It's really so cute. So you can set up your own cafe and you can use these clays to make bakery items. You can take the help of this baker's twine, spatula, and a waffle maker. It's a custom waffle maker. You can make waffles with that.
Baker.
And there is an instruction booklet which gives you a lot of suggestions about what are the different projects that you can do with this. There are total 7 different color clays that are provided in the pack. Okay, now that we have 7 different clays with us, let's do some math. Adit, are you ready to do some math?
Yes.
Okay. What is 7 take away 4 equals? Can you show me? 7 take away 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you take away 4 from 7, what is the answer?
3.
Yeah, 3 clays are left. I can see 3 clays here. That's good math. Okay, now it's Aditi's turn. Let's put them back.
Let me put.
Okay, Aditi, what is 7 take away 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1.
Yeah, if you take away 6 from 7, only 1 is left. I see 1 clay here. That's good math. Congratulations, Aditi. Okay, now let's try one more. It's Adit's turn now. Let's put them back. Okay, Adit, let's do some more math. What is 7 take away 5? Okay. So what is 7 take away 5? How many are left? How many clays are left after taking away 5 from 7? 2. That's the right answer. Good job, Adit. Okay, now let's put them back. One more math we'll do and we'll end up there. Okay? Yeah, it's Aditi's turn. Okay, Aditi, what is 7 take away 1 equals?
6.
You are right. I see 6 clays here. 7 take away 1 equals 6. Good job, both of you. Okay, now are you excited to open the toy?
Yes.
Okay, let's open everything.
This is what I got. This is what we got.
Oh, this is what you got?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Okay. It includes a clear plastic like this. You can use it for baking the goods. This is the clear plastic that is provided in the pack. You can use it along with the clays to make molds for making the pretend play baking goods. And this is how the cafe looks like. You can make your own cafe. So this is the cafe front facing. And the remaining portion of the cafe you can pick and make from any of these projects. Let's see how the projects look like. This is the first project. This is how the sheet looks like. This is the second one. This is the third project. And finally, this is the last one. Finally, there is one additional sheet provided like this to help in making the cafe beautiful. Okay, now let's see how to set up the cafe with all these items. Okay, let's make a table first. We need to cut this portion to make the table. Let's do it. Okay, we need to slowly peel it off from the groove. Okay. Can you turn it and show me how you make it? Okay. Now we have the table ready. So this is going to be our table in the cafe. Here is the table. Now let's see how to make some chairs. For making each chair, we need a chair back and a chair seat. That makes a pair. So probably we can make 2 chairs with this combination. Let's see. Okay, that's a chair seat and that's a chair back. Chair back. One more chair seat. That's one chair. And that's the second chair. So now we have the table and 2 chairs ready. So Aditi and Aditi, in today's video we saw what all are included in the CuteCafe pack. So we have unboxed it and we have built the bistro table along with the chairs. In our next video, we'll show how to build the shop, how to build the countertop, an oven, and various signs for the cafe. Okay, now it's time to say bye.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Twinkies. TWINKEYS Twinkies.
Okay, bye-bye.